Make money testing apps. Earn money by tasting websites and mobile applications. If you're not making any money in 2019, then in this article you're going to learn an easy way to make some money online from home. But first, you have to have at least a 5-year-old cell phone with you. Or maybe a 7-year-old laptop to be able to start today, because that is all you need to apply what I'm about to show you and actually start your journey of making money online. You're about to discover exactly how to make side income just by using your phone or computer, and it is super easy. Anybody can do this if you follow through my step-by-step instruction. Actually, I'll show 2 methods that have been proven and tested by regular people like you and me, working from home and getting paid every single day, predictably every month, and you can do the same thing as well. I hope you are excited for this, because I am. But before it gets started, be sure to get my Get Money Online Android app to stay up to date, as I'll be sharing different methods and different ways to make money online from home every week. You can install the app from Play Store, the link will be in the description. Now enough talking, and let's get started. The website that we are going to talk about today is called Test.io. Is a testing website where companies go to look for users to test their products, services, and Test.io allows people to make money from home by doing simple tasks, and you can join for 100% free and get started and begin making money by testing out websites and testing different applications using our laptop or using your mobile phone. So all you have to do is to join them as a tester. The website is straightforward, and you can find all the more information about how it works on FAQ page. You can really earn some good money if you join them. Some users are earning up to $50 for finding bugs on the website, and if you don't know how to do that, no problem. They are going to teach you what bugs actually means and how they can be found and make money. And it gets even better. You can also be paid by rating applications. If you cannot find bugs, you can basically get paid by rating different mobile applications, and you can start doing that with a cell phone from anywhere in the world from home, and you don't need to travel to your work base and getting stuck in a traffic jam. And how you can be your own boss, set your own time, set your own schedule. Maybe you have some free time at night, or maybe at a weekend you can just do on this job and getting some extra income online. How cool is that? So what you're gonna be doing is testing different websites and latest apps as well, and be the first to test and see these applications before they're launching into the market. So you can just go on the sign up and under less than 5 minutes, and you can just begin getting tasks. Try to add all the devices that you have, the ones you can test apps and websites on it. I would suggest that you add as many devices as possible. If you have 2 or 3 mobile phones at home, just register all of them. Same goes to laptops and iPads, just register all different devices. That's going to give you a huge advantage. Because testing certain projects, they want you to do it on a laptop and some on your smartphone. So if you have multiple devices, this is your advantage, because you're going to receive more and more tests, and that means you're going to make more and more money. They pay every single month repeatedly to your PayPal, and you can check their payment methods. Once you get your first payout, you're going to receive more and more invitation from them via email based on the devices you added and your interest and what is the skill sets, and you can earn while you learn. Is a really cool way, some easy cash. You also get feedback on every completed task so that you can improve over time. And the more feedback you get, the more invitations you will receive, and, of course, more money. Just make sure to get as much positive feedback as you can and keep on spinning faster and faster. And at the end, guess what? You become a testing king. You can climb the ladder to test the hardest apps, to participate in an exclusive test run with more and more opportunities to. After you accumulate more and more experience, you're going to become more and more valuable to their company, right? They want you to test out more and more application and become a really solid methods that you can make money on just one platform. There are many different people from professional backgrounds who are using this website, like accountants, engineers, students, and moms. They are all regular people, so there's no reason you can't do it. And as to how much money you can actually earn, it all depends on the task you do, but they do pay more money on critical bugs, and it can go up to $50 for the most important bugs. And you can also earn consistent money by reviewing apps, as there are thousands of mobile apps that being launched every day, and that's why they need real people to test their apps, and they are more than willing to pay users to review the app before it goes live. So take the opportunity and start making some money today.